Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. We are going to go to our reading part. Okay? We are going to work on the page number 44, reading lesson number 2. Here we go. Before to do that, we are going to review the story. Okay, remember it was about the dog and the cat. And remember that the dog found a piece of meat on the ground? Yes. And remember that the cat wanted the piece of meat. Okay. And also remember that the dog liked the cat's compliments. Okay. And who was uh, clever? The dog or the cat? Absolutely. It was the cat. Okay. Look, what do you have to do here in this page? Check your understanding. Read the following incomplete sentences. Okay. Match. Okay. Match them to the correct word to say what happened in the story. Okay, we're going to work together. Okay, remember, the dog found a piece of, remember? Yes? Okay, piece of meat. Okay, okay. It was going to be a delicious, okay. The dog picked up the meat with its, okay. She flew to a house's, one moment. Okay, sorry. Okay, roof. Okay, excellent. She was interrupted by a hungry, okay. The cat wanted to make the dog, okay. The dog kept answering with its, okay. The cat gave the dog some, okay. The dog spread its, mhm. The dog wanted to show off her, mhm. The dog opened its beak too, okay. The piece of meat fell onto them, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. The cat got to meat and ran, okay. The cat said, "See you later." Okay, I know you got it. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, we want to work. We want work on this part. Okay? Have a nice day. Okay? And remember, a child who sings is a happy child. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.